Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon shark. Hey, it's John-Marc here, and welcome to my video lesson on teaching you how to draw better. Well, today's lesson, we're going to learn how to draw this cartoon shark. As you may notice by now, you're going to be learning a lot of fish, because that's also due to my friend fish series. Anyways, I'll share more about that later, but let's begin the lesson today. As you see, it's going to be a side view of the shark, so something very simple to work with. I created the basic shape of the body, went to the back to fins in the back, and now I'm working on the eye. I put that little line in the middle. That's kind of like the separation from the light color of the skin to the white part underneath his belly. Just a reference. All right, let's create the fin on the back there. And as I always do, I like to put a little chunk taken out. It's kind of fun. All right, this is going to be a little smiley shark. No big mean teeth or anything, just a very simple smile. This is a very easy lesson to learn and to learn how to sketch again. As you can see, there's several different shapes that I created from. First was the body, the two fins, the fin on the top, and now the arm. So these are just basic shapes I want you to pay attention to when you're looking at something to draw for the very first time. Shapes are in everything that we draw, so keep an eye on that. A nice little tip. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just create some different fins on the bottom. I'm creating some overlapping action with those two in the back. Let's create his where he breathes out of there, right there. Okay, let's put 3 of these here. Okay, right there. And the sketches that I'm doing again is very simple, quick sketching, and then I can come back in Photoshop or use my Lightbox or my animation table to redraw this and get a lot more detailed or cleaning it up, basically. This is just a thumbnail, just so that you can feel comfortable about the character and learn, and you can change it still, which I'd like you to pay attention to when creating sketches. No worry about erasing. You can change the line and mix it and match it to however you think the character should feel. All right, now I'm just rendering it a little darker now, getting a little bit more detail for this little bud of mine. All right, let's get this little front of his nose, give him more of a curve. Those are the little bubbles that I create there in this little nose hole just created a moment ago. Working on the back, let's work on that chin and the little lip there. That's that overlapping action I like to do with the lip, so just don't stop at the body, let it overlap. Let's work on the back there. Let's get that curve. Yeah, let's work on the top fin. And you can change the shape to get some more dimension. This is just a straight, flat character. Just make it a very fun lesson so you can practice with your brush strokes and learn. All right, let's color that back fin in there. A little darker color. And let's get that overlapping up there. And that's the one behind the body, so that's why I have a little darker there. Now watch, I'm going to do that with the fin in the front over here. One second, let me finish this one here. All right, let's get the one on the back side. So this one here is going to have that shade, same. I'm going to go a little darker, a little closer, more pressure, and then I'm going to add again. So that gives that shadow, so that's indicating it's on the other side of the character. Now let's get that a little bit more with the fin on the top. That's looking good. And as you can notice, I have not erased any lines that I could, but on my cleanup one, I may make sure that they're not there. That's his little nose there. As always, let's make sure we can add some detail on the bottom if you want to. Yeah, little bumps, little rocks. Give some character to the picture. That's looking good. What else can we look at then and check it out? I think we're done right now. So make sure you sign and date. And I want to say thanks again for checking out this video and have a great day.